the Fibonacci sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on, and its related golden ratio, approximately 1.618, are mathematical patterns found universally in nature, art, and cosmic structures. These phenomena are not random, they reflect a divine blueprint that points to Allah's intentional design. Here's how the Fibonacci sequence manifests in creation and serves as proof of Allah's artistry. Spiral galaxies like the Milky Way and Whirlpool galaxy follow the Fibonacci spiral. Their arms expand at angles of about 137.5 degrees, the golden angle mathematically linked to golden ratio, that is 1.618. This precise geometry ensures balanced gravitational forces and efficient growth, a sign of deliberate cosmic engineering. Quranic reflection. He arranged the night and day, the sun and moon, all float in their orbits. Quran 21:33. Hurricanes and tornadoes. Their spiral shapes adhere to the Fibonacci pattern, optimizing energy distribution and movement. Such precision cannot arise from chaos. Plants grow leaves, branches, or petals at angles based on the golden ratio to maximize sunlight exposure and nutrient flow. For example, pine cones. Their scales spiral in 8 and 13 rows, Fibonacci numbers. Sunflowers. Seed heads form 55, 89, or 144 spirals, all Fibonacci numbers, that is 1.618. Pineapples. Their hexagonal scales align in 5, 8, or 13 spirals, that is golden ratio 1.618. Quranic reflection. He sends down rain from the sky, and with it we produce vegetation of all kinds. Quran 6:99. Flowers like lilies with 3 petals, buttercups with 5, daisies with 34, and roses with 5 or 8 follow Fibonacci counts, that is 1.618. This ensures symmetry and reproductive efficiency. Animal patterns. Nautilus shell. Its chambers grow in a perfect logarithmic spiral based on golden ratio, that is 1.618. Zebra stripes and leopard spots. Patterns follow Fibonacci sequence, that is golden ratio 1.618 for optimal camouflage and heat regulation. Quranic reflection. There is no creature on earth or bird that flies with its wings except that they are communities like you. Quran 6:38. Human body proportions. The ratio of hand to forearm, face symmetry, and even DNA molecules measuring 34 angstroms long by 21 angstroms wide reflect Fibonacci sequence, that is golden ratio 1.618. The cochlea in the inner ear spirals like a Fibonacci curve, and its golden ratio 1.618 to detect sound frequencies. Quranic reflection. We created humans in the finest design. Quran 95:4. Eye perception. Humans subconsciously find the golden ratio, that is 1.618, aesthetically pleasing, as seen in classical art and architecture like the Parthenon and Mona Lisa. This innate preference reflects Allah's design of human cognition. Mathematical perfection. The Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio 1.618 are irrational numbers, infinitely non-repeating. Their universal presence in unrelated systems like galaxies, plants, and even DNA really defies evolutionary chance. Only an all-knowing creator could encode such patterns. Quranic reflection. Everything we created is precisely measured. Quran 54:49. Purposeful design Fibonacci patterns serve functional purposes. For example, optimal packing, like how sunflower seeds maximize space. Efficient growth, where plants minimize energy use, and structural stability, as seen in spiral galaxies avoiding collapse. Quranic reflection. He who perfected everything he created. Quran 32:7. Limits of human knowledge. Mathematicians like Fibonacci and Kepler discovered these patterns centuries after the Quran's revelation. Allah says, "You have only been given a little knowledge." Quran 17:85. If the universe were random, Fibonacci ratios would not appear consistently across galaxies, cells, and even art. Slight deviations in golden ratio, like 1.6 instead of 1.618, would collapse biological systems. Chaos would dominate, yet nature thrives on mathematical harmony. Quranic proof. Did they think we created them without purpose? Quran 23:115. The Fibonacci sequence is Allah's signature in creation, a universal code proving his oneness, tawhid, and infinite wisdom. As the Quran urges, observe the wonders of creation in the heavens and earth so that you may attain certainty. Quran 10:101. Every spiral, petal, and galaxy whispers, "Glory to him who has subjected this to us, for we could never have done it alone." Quran 43:13.